Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the AC clutch, AC compressor clutch, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Equinox. That generation that you see from year 2010 to year 2017 will talk about multiple fuses that can actually affect the AC clutch system as well. Stay with us, they're not directly related to the AC clutch, but they're climate control fuses that can affect it as well. We'll talk about that. By the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share, guys, that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So guys, for the AC clutch, AC compressor clutch, come guys, we'll show you which fuses, relays you need to check. Quick advice from us: if you have that Chevy Equinox, there will be some hidden fuse boxes in it, guys. And we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money, guys. What we need to do now here, okay, the first step, open the front right door on the passenger side. And when you come on the inside in the footwell compartment, on the side of the center console, right here you have that cover, pry that cover open, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here, what we need to check here specifically, guys, 3 fuses in that fuse box, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more. All of these are directly related, okay, to the AC system, climate control system, clutches, compressors. So guys, you need to check all of them. All of them can cause the AC system not to work. And starting here, we're going to start that fuse 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You see that fuse number 12, that's the one that you will, guys, need to check right here. Very important fuse. And then you need to check fuse, okay, fuse number 14, this one right here will need to be checked. And then we need to check fuse number 29, okay, right here. So that fuse will need to be checked too. Next, we need to go ahead and open the hood. And the moment you open your hood, guys, here on the driver's side, if you look at the engine, you see that fuse box. Okay, that's a cover. You have one clip here that you squish together, one on this side, leave the cover up, and underneath, guys, okay, you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here, we need to check, okay, a couple more fuses, and one of these fuses specifically, guys, is fuse number 31. So you wonder where that 31 is located. That's right here, guys. Very important fuse. Okay, that fuse here will need to be checked. Next, you need to check, guys, okay, something else as well. Okay, you wonder where it's located. We're talking about relay 62. You see that relay? Okay, that will be the relay that you will need to check, that fuse and that relay right here. Those are the main problems, guys. If you have problems where the AC doesn't work, we have a video on our YouTube channel that explains why AC air conditioner does not work on Chevy Equinox. Top 10 things. It will teach you what you need to check. It will explain most common things that we see here at the garage and how to fix it as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.